What is up, guys? Welcome to a new Pov Drive. Today you join me inside the all-new Vw Amarok. So we're just gonna take this for a quick blast. Big thanks to Lani Motors, which is the local VW dealer out here in Zanin. So they already have a bunch of these, and yeah, they're selling like hotcake. But yeah, this is a great car. It feels very comfortable inside here, and this setup that we're inside the live trim, mated to the 6-speed auto gearbox. So this engine is a 2-liter TDI, so it's a turbocharged diesel pushing 125 kilowatts. I'm not really sure about the torque figure, but I'll put it on screen right now. So yeah, the gearbox feels very seamless. It shifts like it's not there, so it feels very relaxed inside here, and the suspension is very nice and supple, and it doesn't feel quite bouncy like the Toyota Hilux felt. Speaking of the Toyota Hilux, do check out the POV drive of that particular vehicle. The link will be down in the description below. Now yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy this POV drive. Let's get right into it. Now I actually want to slow down a bit and test out how the kickdown on the gearbox is. So we're currently so I'm going to slow down to about 60 kilometers an hour thereabout, and I'm going to floor it and we'll see how the gearbox responds. So I've floored it now. Yeah, pretty decent response from the gearbox. The brakes do feel just a bit hesitant, but it does have some stopping power, but the initial bite is not that grabby, but it does stop pretty well. So up ahead we do have a stop sign, and I want to show you guys a bit how the car pulls away. So I'm going to come to a full stop. So this has a conventional automatic gearbox, so it pulls away very smoothly. Transmissions like dual clutches, they do feel a bit lurchy when you pull away, but this is just smooth. It's progressive and it feels very nice. I'm actually going to go around here so that we drive a bit in town. Oh, there's currently a big truck. Luckily it's not coming this way. So we're going back to the dealership, but we're just gonna take a route that takes us around so I can drive the car a bit in town. So obviously the speed limit is very low out here, and yeah, the roads are very bumpy. There's also speed humps, but the car does deal with everything very well. Yeah, the suspension is a bit bouncy, but like I already mentioned, it's not as bouncy as the Hilux. It feels more natural in here, but it's very comfortable, and you sit very tall. Like passing this what's that called again? I forgot what that Nissan, the Micra, yeah. Skipped my mind for a bit. We just passed the Micra, and it looks like it's a small car, but it looks even way more small, even way smaller when you pass it with the Amarok. Look at this Chevy utility. So I do sit quite high. Okay, that's a bit dangerous. So yeah, you do sit quite high in here, so you can look down and everything. Have a great view. So it certainly is a very nice place to be. Very relaxing, very comfortable. The side mirrors are very big, as you guys can see, so you do have a great view of what's behind you and so on. I also do like how big this infotainment screen is. Looks certainly very nice. You can play music there. Disconnected, and so yeah, you can have your Apple CarPlay and so on, which yeah, it looks very nice. I hope I won't put it into volume, because that's not what we want. Go back to Apple CarPlay. So like currently I'm running Waze, and you can see the map looks really nice, which is very cool. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV drive, and until next time, that's cheers from me.